Hey guys, this is Brian at Black Star Reptiles. Today I have a little excitement in egg cutting. We have so this is our 5th clutch. We have a pastel yellow belly, possible gravel, so that we can get gravels or yellow bellies. Hopefully it's a gravel, but we'll see. The other half is Orange Dream, Banana, Mojave, Yellow Belly, Clown. That was the male. And so basically if we get a super yellow belly, then we know that the female proved out as a yellow belly. If we get a highway, we'll know that there's a gravel yellow belly. So we'll know that the female proved out as a gravel, which is what we want. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go 1 egg died. Out of her clutch, she laid 5 eggs. And one of them died, so I got rid of it. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna pull these out first, and then we'll set them back in as we cut them. These eggs actually don't look very good, but they are hatching, so that's good. Let's go ahead and start with this one. So he's already in there, already coming out. We'll cut them and see what we get. I can see, looks like a pastel. Maybe Mojave. I'm pretty sure it's pastel though. So the female does have pastel. Now, they said, when I bought her, they said possible super pastel. So I guess if every one of these snakes has pastel, then we know she was a super. But I didn't think the female was a super when I actually looked at her. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this second egg. She's kind of coming out a little too. Oh, so it looks like that the female is going to prove out as yellow belly. So that's a super. It's an all white snake. And that means that the female is not gravel. So, really pretty white snake, blue eyes, really pretty snake. So that's exciting. I mean, we proved out that she's yellow belly, so that's another thing we didn't, or we proved out. So pretty exciting. And this one, she poked her head out too. So the male was banana, and I'm hoping to get some baby bananas, and it looks like that's what I got. And this one, ooh, I'm not sure what that even is. Wow, so that looks like Mojave, banana, pastel maybe, and it could be Orange Dream. That is a pretty looking snake. So that's a fun snake to look at. Okay, we're gonna cut this one. This one hopefully is okay. It is a little soft, a little bit, looks like it's almost dying, but I could feel her in there, so I'm hoping she's all right. She looks like she's all right. Let's go ahead and get a closer look. She looks like a banana. Maybe another super yellow belly. Yeah, it looks like another super yellow belly, but she's got quite a bit of pattern in her, so I'm wondering if she's a banana. Guess we will see when she comes out. Let's see, make sure she's moving. Come on, girl. Yeah, she's moving. Wanted to see her head. Don't want to move her too much, but she's definitely doing okay. She's moving, and you see her move? So that's good. So it looks like we got 2 supers, 1 banana with Mojave, and then we got a pastel here. I'm wondering if they might all be pastel. I know these two are, but those are supers, so it's hard to tell. So if that's the case, then the female might be a super pastel. And so we'll do an update on these as soon as they come out of their eggs in the shed. We get a meal in them, and then I'll do an update on each of them. Pretty cool clutch though. So anyway, like, subscribe. We'll talk to you later.